Welcome back for another one. If your vehicle has a misfire or some kind of weird engine related thing, it could be something as simple as your spark plug wires right here. You just do a little twist and you pull down, twist and pull. You're gonna look for burn marks. It'll be like white and cracking. If one of these is no good, your car won't run right and you'll lose fuel economy. When you know the spark plug wire's in, that's when you hear that crack in your shoulder, you know? So you know it's in there and good. Now that you realize that spark plug wires aren't nothing to be afraid of, go take care of yours. Yeet.